Home buyers need to be proactive in today's market. Horror story or victory dance? You control your narrative. As a first-time homebuyer, the home buying process can be overwhelming, stressful, and confusing, especially when it comes to the mortgage lending process. There are many horror stories of people who had put an offer on their dream home without fully understanding the mortgage lending process and then having to race through it, only to learn that their loan was denied and they lost the home. Racing through this process causes stress, anxiety, uncertainty, and fear. Doubt creeps in and you begin to second-guess yourself with questions like, will the loan be approved? What if it's not and we lose the house? What if this is the wrong house? What if we pick the wrong loan officer? What if there are extra hidden costs that we did not consider and we can't truly afford this? Here at Unlimited Mortgage Lending, we believe in eliminating those doubts and fears by being proactive, not reactive. Before you find your dream home, the best way to be proactive is to get your loan package underwritten by the lender's underwriter, the god in the industry who will issue a full approval subject to the property that you find. This is called a TBD underwriter approval. Pre-qualified is not pre-approved. Many first-time homebuyers think that they are ready to go big house hunting with a pre-qualification letter or even a pre-approval letter. But not all letters are created equal. Sadly, many homebuyers make this mistaken assumption. Let's break them down. Pre-qualified is when your mortgage lender pulls your credit report and uses your information that you provide verbally, such as income, bank balances, retirement accounts, credit info, etc. They are not using any supporting documents. Pre-qualified is basically the mortgage lender estimating the loan amount that you should qualify for. This is just an estimate, not a guarantee. Pre-approved means the mortgage lender has pulled your credit report and collected your financial documents. They will submit this information to an automated program called Desktop Underwriter that will determine if you're approved or ineligible. The information is not verified or validated. You know the old saying, garbage in, garbage out? Well, if the loan officer is not experienced, you might get a false positive approval. What this does is give you an estimate of the maximum loan amount that you could be approved for. But this is still not a guarantee. Why? Because your application and supporting documentation has not been verified or validated. TBD underwriter approval takes the pre-approval one step further and puts your loan application and supporting documents in the hands of an actual underwriter, as if you had found your house, made an offer, and now need the loan. They will scrutinize, verify, and validate all your documents and determine the exact amount that you are being approved for. The only contingency left is to actually find the property. That's the TBD part, to be determined. You have been proactive and have done the financial part, the 90%. The rest is relatively easy, the 10%. Finding that dream home. It's like winning that Willy Wonka chocolate bar with the golden ticket. Advantages of the TBD underwriter approval. The advantages of doing this process first are invaluable. Imagine the peace of mind and confidence you'll have as you check off these boxes. You eliminate the stress of not knowing if your loan will be approved. You eliminate the stress of a rush request from your mortgage lender needing this document or that document signed before you close. You eliminate the stress of something going wrong at the last minute that would jeopardize the offer on your dream home. You eliminate the stress on your realtor, freeing them up to focus on making sure everything else is moving smoothly, such as the home inspection, the disclosures, etc. You position yourself as a serious buyer with a serious offer. In fact, with some sellers, your offer may even be considered equal to or better than cash offers. Because your loan is TBD underwritten, you can offer as little as a 21-day closing period on your contract, since all that's left is the appraisal, insurance, and title work. You can enjoy the experience of shopping for your dream home. Now that you know, don't risk losing your dream home. Invest some time now by getting a TBD underwriter approval. It's not a matter of if you need underwriting, but when. Don't wait for crunch time with an offer on the line. Position yourself now to bid on that dream home with confidence and peace of mind. Contact us, Florida's best mortgage broker. Start now being proactive by calling Unlimited Mortgage Lending to begin your process at 561-898-1008.